Hey guys, welcome back to the in day one part one. We will start new series about Flutter and Dart. So in this part, we try to find out what is Flutter and what is Dart. Okay, so let's go to Flutter official website to get idea what is it and also learn how we can start with Flutter. So Flutter technically is an SDK for developing apps for web, for mobile, and even for desktop. And Flutter is, and in here you will see that Flutter is a UI toolkit for building beautiful native compile application for mobile, web, and desktop, as I said, for single code base. So we actually we write a code which work in different environment over Android, over iOS, over web, over desktop. So that's awesome. And it's made by Google, so it has a good background. And right now it is on version 1.7. Yeah, so you see iOS, Android, web, even React Native, and others. So development is really fast with that, and expressive and flexible UI you will have, and it's native performance. It is a framework, but you will code natively, and so you are not really depend on the another framework like other existing frameworks. So, and just to get idea of, where you can find Google, Flutter is using, even Google Ads is something that you always dealing with, or Alibaba, or Tencent, or others. And right now Flutter point 7, we are on it. For sure it's gonna go further and quickly, and in point 7 you will see they fixed issues with Android, iOS, and even for game controller support and something like that. So you saw there and if you want to start, you will start from here, which in part 2 we will go over. But as you saw that I mentioned Flutter and Dart. So why Dart? So the reason I mentioned Dart is that Dart is the language behind Flutter. So Flutter made by Dart. So it's good to know Dart as well, and to be able work more comfortable over Flutter. So Flutter Dart now its version is 2.4.0, and it's you can make your UI pretty simple, and it's made by Google as well. And if you want to say one line definition for that, Dart is a client optimized language for fast apps on any platform. Any platform. This is the key point. So they try to make something for any platform. So that's why I started a new series on these two, because I believe this in future it's most probably your company maybe move to company working for, or even yourself wants to move to Flutter and Dart to make your app for any platform. As you know, if you are my subscriber, you know that I'm iOS native developer, and I love that. Actually, Swift developer, but I find out that I need to learn something like Flutter to be, more chance to get a job. Also, for my own apps, I could improve my own apps in all environments, and I don't have to learn new language like Kotlin for Android. So yeah, this is top features for that: optimized for UI, productive development, fast on all platform. And here, even if you want to start, it's pretty easy. You can do it on your browser. Hello world, you will see it really look like a C language. But later in Flutter, when we move forward, you will see that we will Dart is not really difficult language, and you will get used to coding with that. Okay, so that's it for this part, and I hope it was useful for you. And so just if you have any question, actually don't forget to be subscribed. And also, if you have any question, ask in comments below. I will be more than happy to help you, and watch my next trick as well. Have a great one. Bye bye.